I would think that it's a rocking entertainer. You just get inside to get entertained, you get a bit of a message, and you come out feeling happy, full paisa vasool.
क्या बात है, fantastic, fantastic. Quite a few, I think, other stars are part of the entire project as well. There's Boman Irani, there's I think Akshay Khanna as well,
Absolutely.
and Govinda as well. Did you guys do the dubbing portion simultaneously?
Oh my God, we dubbed in a complete solitude, but we have had mad sessions of like workshops, you can call them, where we were all together with our scripts, and sometimes with actions and sometimes just with sitting and saying our lines. And we really had these brainstorming sessions where everybody went through their the whole sheets and their characters and lines, just to see at what pitch and what wave everybody's doing that particular scene on. And then once all of that was done, we hit the dubbing theatres,
right.
And that also had to go through various stages where somebody felt that, oh, this scene you should have done like that and that, but it was a beautiful synergy that it created that is definitely reflected on the screen today, because these are the main characters, but there are lots of other animals which come in cameos, so there are lots of other voices of other actors which come also, but they're all like different characters that you meet,
right.
And you really see a beautiful side of this whole jungle. Like I remember meeting Boman here and there, and I used to say, let's go back to our jungle, it's so much fun, because it's been great fun trying to do all those things together.
Even Chamatkar, you did, that movie with Nasir Saab and Shah Rukh was there. Now, whenever it comes on television, that's a very, very widely watched film. How do you?
It's again another mad comedy, fun kind of a film, and all of us had such a great time. And Shah Rukh's energy then also was so brilliant. And after so many years, inshallah, kya abhi bhi, matlab, it's going like there's no stopping. Brilliant.
With Salman as well, Janam Samjha Karo. I was just reading about it somewhere in the morning itself, that the music of that film worked like anything, and I think Shammi Kapoor Saab was there in that film as well.
It was my really great pleasure to be in the same frame in 2-3 movies with Shammi uncle actually, and to talk to him about his movies, because I've been a great fan of his. So it's been really, like I said, that apart from being a star and getting a lot of materialistic things, I think these are the moments one really cherishes as an actor.
वो आएगा और मुझे यहाँ से डोली में बिठा कर लेके जाएगा।
ओ ओ ओ चांदनी आया है तेरा दीवाना।
Great. One film which will always be special for you is Satya. I think it's become a cult film, and people, whenever they have to refer to movies in the last 15 years, that movie has to come into the picture, in fact. So, Satya, a special film for you, for sure?
I think each and every that movie I have been associated with has been special
Absolutely,
with me
absolutely.
at that given point, because I just feel that, and right now it is Delhi Safari, because I feel I have always felt emotional connection with all my body of work, and that is very essential, because the word acting only has to do with emotions. So I guess each and every one of them have been really close to my heart, and that's how I've done pretty much done justice to them, and that's why there have been such less films also, and good ones.
सपने में मिलती है ओ कुड़ी मेरी सपने में मिलती है।
I'll also speak about the histrionics that you've put in a few of the films, like Pyar Tune Kya Kiya and Bhoot, for that matter. Ek Hasina Thi, I think you had a very fine performance. Something about that histrionics part. Bhoot, you got a Filmfare Award for Best Critics Award as well, and widely appreciated, a successful film at the box office as well. So something about that histrionics part of Urmila Matondkar, how do you...
I think Bhoot was also that, because it didn't have any special effects. I think both in Hollywood and in India, what people didn't realize at that point is that it's phenomenal, because it didn't use special effects to convey any kind of fear. The entire fear was coming essentially by the actors' expressions and intensity and performance. So that is what I think gave me a completely different platform than a lot of other actors involved in the similar kind of genre, basically. So, but yeah, it was extremely difficult and extremely intense a role to do, that's for sure.
Now, many would have called you as a complete package. You know, you've been a fabulous dancer. You did a item song in Ram Gopal
Yeah,
Varma
in
Ki
lots
Aage
of
Se,
them.
lots of them. And apart from that, a very fine actress, and you've done all sorts of role. You've had some really successful songs like a Comeback Tishk and all sorts of movies. Something about the music in your movies.
I just think
Like a
that no,
Rangila
I would
or-
just say that it is to do with my dancing, which I've never learned, but it's something that just comes very, very naturally. And I think if I've been able to connect to it and make people connect to my dancing is because I enjoy it the bestest. I like it the bestest, and I find myself my bestest when I'm dancing. And whatever be the emotion that I'm trying to connect to, whether it could be just a fun mad dancing, it could be just a romantic song, it could be an erotic song, or it could be, I think it is about taking acting to a step further, and it just comes from within. So that's why I find myself most blissful and happiest when I'm dancing.
तन्हा तन्हा यहाँ पे जीना ये कोई बात है कोई साथ नहीं तेरा यहाँ तो ये कोई बात है
Your favorite song amongst your own filmography?
I think it is impossible to name one. Can you name
Maybe
one?
five.
I don't think
I don't
even
know.
the audiences
You know-
can, because how can you? Because in my songs also I have really done so many
Rangila songs will
different
always be
kinds
special.
of. No, even Rangila has 6 songs, and each,
Yeah, each
song,
song which is-
shows there are now rasas, and literally each one of those rasas are there in
Absolutely.
each one of those songs. So it's pretty much impossible to just tap one and say this one.
Music and Satya, Comeback Tishk,
Yeah,
as I
yes.
said in the beginning as well. Okay, now you've always taken yourself seriously as an actress. You know, many times actresses in Hindi movies, they're more of in terms of songs ke liye, dances ke liye, and the glamour quotient. Many successful stars we've had that. You've taken yourself seriously as an actress apart from being a fabulous
No,
dancer
I
as
didn't
well.
take myself seriously. I think
The
my
actresses
producers
did.
and directors decided to take me
Right.
seriously, for which I'm very glad to them.
And you performed.
I
You've
think
delivered
beyond
goods.
that, my audiences supported me in whatever I did. So I think an actor can say a lot of things and do a lot of things. It is eventually, essentially the producers and the directors, and eventually the audiences. So I always take it an opportunity, make it an opportunity to thank my audiences more than anything else, to to give them the credit of where I am today, because without their support it all would have meant nothing really.
Absolutely. You know, these are very interesting times, especially this year has been very, very interesting.
Yes.
Many films have come out which are not, which you can't say as a typical pot boilers and that sort
sure.
of stuff, and they've done very well, like
Yes.
Beat a Kahani or Beat a
Yes,
Vicky Donor, and
Yes.
English is an extraordinary film as well. These are very interesting times for
Yes.
Urmila Matondkar to just make
Yes,
an announcement.
absolutely. I just think that it's just a question of the right time and the right script, and that's it.
You've been reading some script right now?
Yes, I have been, but I don't think anything that has been that exciting has yet happened. So that's why it's such a long gap.
Filmmakers that you find interesting in today's times?
I think pretty much everybody, and the great thing is that one doesn't have to be a so and so or a so and so. It can be a first or second film, and you could be making it with a lot of depth. So that's really great.
Do you feel that the script has really
Yeah,
come to be
script.
known as a
I
star now?
always have felt the scripts are heroes, nothing else. And so I think today people are realizing it with more punch, that scripts have to be really phenomenal. Marketing has to be great.
Absolutely.
So there have been some great makers out there, and so they've been doing fantastic job. Like UTV has taken over our movie, and lots of them actually. So that's, I think it's become a lot about the whole packaging also.
Fantastic. Finally, if you have to sum up Delhi Safari, what's so special about the film that
I would think that it's a rocking entertainer. You just get inside to get entertained, you get a bit of a message, and you come out feeling happy, full paisa vasool.
Kya baat hai? Fantastic. I'm looking forward to an announcement from Urmila Matondkar for sure, because we watched your movies in theaters, and they've been really good. And it's about time that we get to see a full-on proper masala.
Yes, thank you
whatever,
so
know,
much. And
that is something which is
hopefully
important.
next time sitting here would be for another movie of mine.
Absolutely.
Taking
Maybe
off
on the announcement.
from here. Yes,
Before the
done
announcement.
deal. Done
Thank you very
deal.
much.
Thank you. Lovely talking to you.
Thank you. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.